to enable guest mode, I first need to visit the permission screens and then turn this on from there. This is guest mode, save. Now, this means that users don't need to be logged in to collaborate and interact with the interface. What we want to do, if you guys remember, when we invited the clients to work, we learned about how we need to create a user for them, even if we're not going to share the logins to that user with them. This way, we can choose that user from this drop down here that says the client. This is going to identify who the client is, and it's going to make sure that they're going to get the notifications, the email notifications, even without being logged in at all. So this way we have the client here marked as the client, and now I can take this and go into incognito. Now I'm not logged in. I am in what we call guest mode, and you can see that I can see the points here at the bottom. I can see the bottom bar. I can see the activity progress on this bar here. I can see our logo, but this would be your logo when you use the white label tools, as well as it's going to link to where you want it to link to. As a guest, as a client, I can approve this page, which is already approved from what I can see here. I can go into the responsive mode, tablet view, mobile view, and then there is an item that is missing here, which is the agency dashboard link, right? So as a client, I'm not invited into the agency dashboard, so I'm not even able to see this button here, but I can see the visibility. I can send some reports, I can see the share, and so on. Now I can also click this and create new tasks. So for example, replace this image right? So this way I can add images here. And this is going to make sure that I can leave those images directly in there as the client. Now I can also change the status of this, change the urgency, but I also have control over these items. What do we want to show to the client or not? Which is what we're going to see on the later on this training. We're going to see how to disable or enable some of these options. But basically, guest mode allows us to interact with the interface without being logged in at all.